Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we dive into managing partner relationships using Monday.com. Now, this isn't just your typical tutorial. This is the complete guide for 2025. Our first step is to create a new board for your partner management. Now that we've done that, let me explain why this matters. A separate board helps you to keep all partner-related tasks in one place, making it easy to monitor and manage. Next up, we're going to customize this board with columns for partner name, contact details, partnership status, and key activities. The reason we do this is to ensure we have all the necessary information at a glance. This helps us because it saves us time and reduces the chances of missing important details. Once we've customized our board, we're moving on to inviting our partners to the board. This is done by clicking on the Invite button, entering their email addresses, and assigning them as guests. This is crucial as it allows our partners to view, comment, and even update their own tasks, promoting transparency and collaboration. Now, let's add some automation to our board. Automation in Monday.com can be a game changer. It allows us to create rules that trigger certain actions, like sending a notification when a task is updated or a deadline is approaching. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. The system is reducing manual effort and preventing things from falling through the cracks. The final step is monitoring and updating the board regularly. This goes beyond just checking off tasks. It involves actively updating partner details, responding to comments, and keeping a close eye on partnership statuses. Let me explain why this matters. Regularly updating and monitoring the board ensures that the information is always current and accurate, enabling you to make informed decisions. And there you have it, your guide to managing partner relationships in Monday.com. Remember, the key to successful partner management is organization, communication, and consistency. With Monday.com, you have all the tools you need right at your fingertips. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep those partnerships thriving.